her have hiccups? You don't like them, do you? No. That your grump face. I don't like these hiccups. I love you. I love you, my littlest and cutest girl.